People with tattoos, drinkers and smokers are allowed. The blood bank is moving to dispel myths around those allowed to give blood. The transfusion service is once again appealing to Jamaicans to give blood as the country's stock is dangerously low.
If you ask many Jamaicans if they've ever given blood, this would likely be the answer.
No, sir. Why not? Because I smoke weed and cigarette and I drink alcohol too. So they said if you smoke or drinking alcohol, you cannot give blood.
But Jason, like many others who drink and smoke, is misguided.
Persons who would have smoked within the last 72 hours are unable to donate. We need persons to be aware of this, so when they come to us, they are ready to donate.
What about persons who drank the night before?
Persons who drank the night before can donate once they are properly hydrated.
Igor Allen is the blood donor organizer at the blood bank. So, for smokers like Jason, once they have not smoked within 3 days, they can donate.
I stopped for more than 3 days already, so it's not like I can't stop. I can't stop.
Will you be willing to give blood to save a life?
Yeah, I'm willing to do anything that's necessary within the blood bank.
Other misconceptions include people with tattoos.
Persons with tattoos, for example, can donate once the tattoo is over a year old. Persons who are hypertensive can donate once they have their hypertension under control, right? Persons who are diabetic can donate once they're not taking insulin. I always say to persons, don't say you can't donate. Come out and we will inform you of your status.
The blood bank collects around 30,000 units of blood per year. The amount needed is 60 to 64,000.
What does that mean? It means we need more persons to come out and donate. That will allow persons in need of transfusion to get those transfusions.
People like Abigail Smythe are stepping up to help fill the empty veins at the blood bank. Through her I Have a Heart foundation, she initially did drives for people living with heart conditions like she does. But then it expanded.
Because outside of heart disease patients or persons needing open heart surgeries, you have people like premature babies, pregnant women, people who meet in accidents, people who get stabbed or shot.
This year will be the 6th staging of her blood drive and will be on the 21st of September at Monarch's Foods, 28 Victoria Avenue on South Camp Road. Before that, on September 19, staff at the Victoria Jubilee and Kingston Public Hospitals are also staging a blood drive on the grounds of the Victoria Jubilee Hospital at the Old Ward 5. That will go from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m.
And it's a way for us to serve you guys, the community. A blood drive is essentially you donating your blood to help save the lives of others.
You never know whose life you're saving. It could very well be your own life or that of a family member or friend.
Jason too wants more Jamaicans to play their part.
Try and help the blood bank and try and help to donate some blood towards the blood bank. Because it's really and truly needed, and we all can save lives.
Giovanni Dennis, TVJ News.